Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to your mathematics classroom. I am Lawal Alitunji, your mathematics tutor. To our returning viewers, welcome back to your classroom. To our new viewers, please do to press the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. On our Facebook and TikTok, press the follow button, like, share, and put your comment in the comment box. Always turn on the notification button so that anytime we are on, you'll be able to see our latest video. Alright, without wasting time, as we have all know that this 2025 for the mathematics will soon be written in the next 2 days. So our preparation continues. We have answered 3 questions so far. We have answered question 1 in the first video, question 2 and 3 in the second video. If you have not watched question 1, question 2, please do to watch the videos on question 1 and the videos on question 2 and 3. In this video, we are going to question number 4, and this question says something. What is it saying? It says a bus travels with a velocity of 6 meters per second. It then accelerates uniformly and travels at a distance of 70 meters. If the final velocity is 20 meters per second, find correct to one decimal place acceleration and the b time to travel this distance. Very simple physics question. You know, when you talk about physics, it's one of the applications of mathematics. Same thing for the mathematics, also one of the application of mathematics. So that was it. Let's interpret the problem and solve it. So simple. A bus travels with a velocity of 6 meters per second. That is the initial velocity of that bus. That is, you will say given your u is what? 6 meters per second. That's the initial movement of the vehicle, of the bus. A bus travels with a velocity of 6 meters per second. Now, after achieving this velocity, it then accelerates. It then accelerates uniformly and travels a distance of 70 meters. That is, now, maybe it was moving gently with simple velocity of 6 meters per second. Maybe later, maybe the road is clear. It increased the movement. So we have the distance. Our s, we have 70 meters. We use s to denote distance in physics. Alright, and finally, if the final velocity is 20 meters per second, that is, if our v, final velocity, is 20 meters per second, that is the velocity to reach the end, or the velocity of the last movement. Then I say find correct one decimal place the acceleration. You want to find the acceleration. That's the first question. Very simple question. In our physics, or further mathematics, or let me say in physics or in mechanics, anyhow you call it, we have something called equations of motion. We have the formula. We have the following as the equation of motion. We have the first one that says v equals to u plus 80. We also have one that talks about s equals to u plus v over 2, or multiplied by t. That one is what we use to generate the 3 and 4, that we can say v squared equals to u squared plus 2as, and lastly s equals to ut plus half at squared. So these are the 4 equations of motion. But in this question, which of the 4 are we going to use to solve the problem? In this problem, or in this question, we are given u, we are given x, we are given v, we are given 8. I repeat, we are given u, we are given x, we are given v, we are given a. So out of the 4 equations of motion that I've mentioned, which one is suitable to use that contain all these 4 parameters? If you check very well, we are going to use the one that says v squared equals to u squared plus 2as. Please try to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this question, I'm going to give out likely questions, or based on what has been discussed in chapter 1 of this video, that is question 1, and chapter 2, that is the one that talks about question 2 and question 3, and also video on this. So telling you that I'm going to bring out the likely question that will cover the 3 videos so far, or these possible questions, or the last moment of the possible questions of the mathematics. Alright, without wasting time, we have v squared equals to u squared plus 2as. We have our v in the question. Our v is 20. We say 20 squared equals to u squared, that is 6 squared, plus 2 times a times our s is 70. So with this now, we can continue with the simple mathematics. We have 400 equals 36 plus what? Plus 2 times 70 is 140. 148. Collect your like times. I have 400 minus 36 equals to 140a. Let's work it out. 400 minus 36. 400 minus 36. 400 minus 36. That will give us what? 364. 364 equals to 140a. Divide both sides by 140. We have 364 over 140. So 364 divided by 140. That one is giving us 2.6. That is, the acceleration of the journey is 2.6 meter per second square. Remember, whenever you are doing calculation like this, especially the physics part, also make sure you are using the right unit. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. The unit of distance is meter. The unit of displacement is meter. The unit of speed and velocity is meter per seconds. Alright, without wasting time, we go to the second question. They said we should not find the time to travel this distance. Permit me to just rule this side to explain my B, 4B. Now I want to find T. They said I should find T. I have found my A using this formula. I want to find T. Remember, I have stated the 4 equations of motion. Which of the equation can I use? I can use the first equation that said V equals to U plus AT. If I make T sort of formula, I'm going to have T equals to V minus U over A. So without wasting time, my answer will come out. What's my V? My V is 20 minus my U is what? My U is 6. And likewise, acceleration, that's what I just got now. That is 2.6. So using calculator, 20 minus 6 is what? Give me the answer in the comment box. 20 minus 6, that's 14. So 14 over 2.6. Using my calculator, 14 divided by 2.6, that won't give me 5.38. 5.38. Permit me to approximate. Maybe I should use one day. Okay, how many decimal places they mentioned? They mentioned one decimal place. Thank you. So I will go for T equals to 5.4 seconds. And that's how we settle the question number 4. We have answered question 1 on video 1 or the series 1 or the chapter 1 of this last moment possible questions for the mathematics GC75, video 2 or series 2 or chapter 2. And we have discussed question 2 and question 3. Here we are with series 3 or video 3, where we have solved question number 4. And likewise, before the end of this video, we are going to come out with possible questions that will cover question video 1, video 2, and now video 3. Now, it's time for you to test yourself. You have watched video part 1, possible questions for the mathematics GC 2025, part 1 or series 1 or chapter 1. You have watched series 2, and this is series 3 or the chapter 3 you have watched. If truly you have watched and understood what we have discussed so far, here you have questions on the board to test, to assess yourself, to check yourself if truly you are ready for this exam that will be written this coming next day. Now, question 1 said a curve is given by y equals to 8x plus 27 over 2x cubed. Find the y, the x. We did something like this in our video 1 of possible questions for the mathematics GC 2025. We did something like that. Now, question 2 said if 2m permutation 2 minus 10 equals to m permutation 2, find the positive value of m. We also did something like this in video 1. For those of you that you watch video 1 or you have not watched one, watch. We did something like this in video 1, but there it talk about and there it talk about combination. But this time around, this one is talking about permutation, but same style again as well. Number 3, a boy runs in a line and his displacement at time t seconds. After leaving the start point O is x meters, where 20x equals to 4t squared plus t cubed. Find 1. Velocity of the body when t is 15 seconds. 2. Value of t for which the acceleration of the body is 8 times is initial acceleration. We did something like this, something on this topic, physics, in this video you are watching right now, which you will just finish now before we move to this. Answer the question by yourself. And this question number 4, define 5x cubed 4x squared minus 6x plus 7 by x minus 3. This one was done in video 1. That is, in our video 1 we discussed question 1 and question 4 in the video 1, while in video 2 I think we discussed something on combination, which is a family of this permutation, question number 2, while video 3, this video, we discussed something like this equations of motions. So we have discussed chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So let's go together to continue with our possible questions as we move to chapter 4 together. But yes, before we go to the next video, which is our chapter 4 or series 4 or episode 4, do something. What's that? Turn on the notification button, press your like, share this video with your friends that are also writing this examination. Put your comment in the comment box. Also do it to subscribe on our YouTube channel, on our TikTok and Facebook. Press your follow button. Now let's move to video 4 for question number 5 and the likes. See you in the next video. Bye.